Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how we can shop stuff from CH Mart application through iOS. And now after you open up the apps, you can take a look on the top left over here. That you can take a look a lot of different parts of the CH Mart itself. First of all, you can log in into your account with the username and the password provided. And then after that, when you're trying to shop, you can take a look at lots of different options over here. Let's say I want to buy a books. So we go to books right here. We have different stuff that we can find. We can find comics, novels, and the others. Let's say I want to find a learning books right here. Now through the learning books, we can take a look a lot of different stuff that we can search right here. So for example, I want to find grade 1 book. So I can search it up right there. And then after that, we can find lots of different stuff. Like this one, for example, I want to buy this Bahasa Indonesia book. So it is in stock, and I want to add it to the cart right there. Now, when I already finish added to the cart, it will be shown on the top right over here on my cart that there's one thing showing up there. Not only that, probably I want to find another things other than books. So let's say I want to find clothes right here, and I want to get ready for a sport clothes. And after that, you can find lots of different sports clothes that is needed, such as the volleyball team, the preschool, you got the secondary. Since I'm on the preschool or the primary shirt, I will find this shirt right here. And then after that, I can put it on the cart right there. Or we put the size first. Since it's all size, we can add to cart like that. And then it's already shown on top of the screen over here that on the card there's two things that it's about. So over here you can still change again if you want to find if you want to buy more or less of the things that you have. Over here I erased the uniform before, and let's say I want to buy this book only. So after that I can just put checkout on the checkout right here. And then after that, we can fill out what is it that we need to fill out. First name, we can put our name. And then after that, the company, it's an option. You can put it there if you can input. If you don't want to input it over there, it's also okay. It's an optional. And then the phone, make sure the phone that your input over there is working. And then after that, you can write down your street address. So probably I'll write down, for example, and then a street address too. You can input more details about the address. So let's say, for example, it's the number 26, and then the email. Like that. And then the city, I can write down the city where I'm at right now. Let's say I'm at Denpasar. And then make sure the postcode is correct. And then after that, you can choose the country you're in. And over here, it's stated Indonesia already, and the state is Bali already, but you can change that if you need it. And then after that, for the shipping, you can click same for shipping if the shop that you if all of the things that you buy is you want to save it over here, you want to send it to this address. And then after that, you can take a look at the order over here, if everything is correct, and then you can just click place order. Payment method first. You can click this payment method over here. I'm just on top of the PayPal, and then you can click place order. After you click place order, there will be a proceed to payment, and a pop-up will shows up. So you can pick between a lot of different payment selections that you can find. You can put over here, let's say I want to use a bank transfer, and then I want to use from BNI. And then after that, we can still choose between ATM BNI. You want to do it with internet banking or mobile banking. There's a lot of different ways that you can do. And then if you are ready to pay, you can just click see account number right here. and then you will have your amount and then also your order ID over there, which is 9046. You need to remember that at least, and then the account number where you need to send the money to. So you can complete the payment right there. So after you are clicking that, it is say that you're going to go back to the shopping menu again, and then you need to pay for the to complete the payment. And then after you finish with the payment, you can click on the payment confirmations right here to confirm that you are finishing with your payment already. You can input your name, your email, your order ID, which is 9046 for this one that I'm showing before, and then input your phone number, and the message over here is optional. And then one that is mandatory is you can click on the choose file over there to upload the picture of the proof of the payment that you have already done. And then after that we can click send, and that's it. That's how you can shop with the CH Mart. Thank you.